Welcome back to Einhub, your go-to source for the latest crypto listings, market insights, and alpha. Today, we've got an exciting announcement straight from KuCoin, the world premiere listing of FreeDogs, FreeDog. Let's break it down. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. FreeDogs is barking its way into the crypto scene as the next big community-driven meme coin. No pre-sale, no taxes, and a fully renounced contract. That's right, FreeDog is 100% fair launched with locked liquidity and zero team allocations, putting power back in the hands of holders. Mark your calendars. Trading goes live June 5th at 10 a.m. UTC on KuCoin. Will this be the next meme coin to pump? Here's what you need to know. Fair launch, no insider advantage, LP tokens burned. Community powered. Decisions are decentralized. KuCoin boost, high visibility with a world premiere listing. If you missed out on Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, this could be your second chance. And here's a pro tip. Use referral code when signing up on KuCoin for extra perks. Will you be trading a FreeDog? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a KuCoin listing update. This is Einhub, keeping you ahead in crypto. See you in the next one.